Hi everyone, it's Helga. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this vibrant 3D chili pepper charm. I know how much you love the fruit and veggie beading series. And just look at that sparkle. To get this high shine finish, I recommend using faceted glass rondelle beads. I'm using 4mm rondelles in red and green. I'll be weaving with a clear 0.25 5mm fishing line. Cut about 50 inches, roughly 125 centimeters, of line to start. Step 1. String 3 red beads. Pass the other end of the line through the last bead in the opposite direction. Center it on your line and pull tight. Step 2. Add 2 red beads to the left side. Pass the right end through the last bead. Tighten it and thread the line down into the nearest bead as shown. Step 3. Add 1 bead and cross your lines through it. Make sure to hold your weaving exactly like I do so everything stays on track. Step 4. Add 3 red beads to the left side. Pass the right end through the last bead. Once tightened, thread the bottom end through the nearest bead. Step 5. Add 4 red beads to the left. Cross the other end through the last one. After tightening, guide the bottom end through the 2 nearest beads. Keep your tension firm. Step 6. String 3 red beads on the left and cross through the last one. Pull tight and weave through the 2 nearest beads in the circle. Step 7. I've flipped the piece slightly here, but we're still working on the left side. Add 2 red beads, cross through the last one, and thread the bottom end through 1 bead from the previous row. Step 8. Add 4 red beads to the left and cross through the last one. Thread the bottom end through the next 2 beads. Step 9. Add 3 red beads to the left and cross through the last one. Then guide the bottom end through the 2 nearest beads. Step 10. Add another 3 red beads. Once tightened, thread the line through 2 beads from the previous row. Step 11. Add 3 red beads, tighten and pass through 1 bead. Step 12. String 4 red beads, cross through and then weave through 2 beads. Step 13. On the left side, add 3 red beads and cross through the last one. Thread the bottom line through the 2 nearest beads. Step 14. Add 3 red beads to the left. Then weave through the next 2 beads. Step 15. Just like before, weave in 3 beads, tighten, and thread through the 2 nearest beads. Step 16. Add 2 red beads and then weave through 1 nearest bead. Step 17. Add 4 red beads to the left and cross the right end through the last one. Thread the bottom end through the 2 nearest beads. Step 18. Weave in 3 red beads and pass through the next 2. Step 19. Add 3 more red beads and weave through 2. Step 20. Repeat with 3 red beads, but this time thread through 3 beads to start tapering the shape. Step 21. Add 2 red beads. Thread the right end into the nearest bead. Now we're switching to green. Step 22. On the left side, string 1 red, 2 green and 1 red bead. Cross through the last red bead. Thread the end through the 2 nearest red beads from the previous row. Step 23. Add 2 green and 1 red bead to the left. Cross through the red one. Thread the end through the 2 nearest beads. Step 24. Repeat the exact same pattern. Step 25. Add 1 red, 2 green and 1 red to the left. Cross through the red bead. This time weave through the 3 nearest beads. Step 26. Add 2 green beads and cross through the last one. Thread the right line through 1 nearest green bead. Step 27. Add 3 green beads to the left and cross through the last one. Tighten and thread through the 2 nearest green beads. Step 28. Add 2 green beads and weave through the 2 green beads from the row below. Step 29. Repeat step 28. Step 30. Same again, but at the end, pass through 1 extra bead. Step 31. Cross through 1 green bead, tighten it, and weave through the 2 nearest beads. Now for the stem. String 8 green beads on the left line. Take that same end and pass it back through 6 of the beads, skipping the very last one. Pull it tight against the base. On the same line, add 1 green bead and a jump ring if you're making a keychain. Cross back into the green bead where the other line is coming out. Bring the ends together. Tie 2 or 3 secure knots and hide them inside the nearest bead. Trim the excess line and your chili pepper charm is ready. As you can see, the faceted beads give it such a professional look. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video.